Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be just a chit-chatty one. I just filmed another video, so don't mind the swatches. I also just filmed this hair tutorial, so that'll be up soon too. But I wanted to talk about the direction I want to go in my channel. I have changed the types of videos myself that I like to watch. So a tip that I have read and seen on YouTube videos about from bloggers and YouTube, creators is, when your videos aren't doing very well, when you're not getting as many views anymore, you have to evaluate, like, is my content good? Is it being posted at the correct time of the day? Am I consistent in my upload schedule? There are lots of things like that. Are my thumbnails catching? Am I engaging people in the intro? Blah, 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 blah. But one of the major tips that caught my eye was, are you filming videos that you would want to watch? And when I asked myself that, I was like, no. Not really. Like, the kinds of videos that I like to watch right now, for example, are vlogs like Haley Page or Brianna Kay. What's her name? It's Me, Cassidy. Those are like three of my favorite channels. I like to watch mommy videos, mommy reviews. Natalie Bennett, I also like her. Nat and Wes and the rest. I like to watch mommy videos, reviews. I still like beauty stuff. I still want to do some beauty videos, and I still try new products for you guys. I still watch tutorials here and there. I still want to see favorites and empties, but I want them to include things from the house, things for your kids, things for mommy favorites, things for your face, things for your feet, things for your whatever. I'm just looking around me. And I want to see decor videos and hauls for things other than makeup, Brianna Kay does like Target dollar spot hauls with like her decor for spring and decorating her house, and clean with me's, and how to pack for a trip, traveling as a mom, like baby clothing hauls for the next season for her babies. And I just realized that I am not passionate about the content that I have been making, so I want to make a change. Beautify your life wasn't just beautify your face. It can mean anything, right? It's open. So I think I'm going to branch out a little bit. At one time I tried the whole Erin Condren planner thing, and that didn't go over that well. I mean, my average video got like 10 or 15 views. People just didn't want to see that. And I was like, I'm doing it because I want to do it. Well, I didn't want to do it anymore, so I stopped. So yet again, we're changing a little bit, changing direction. I'm not giving up the makeup videos. I'm not going to stop enjoying beauty products and sharing them with you guys. I just want to change directions a little bit, include more lifestyle, baby stuff, mommy stuff, maybe a pregnancy vlog here and there once I'm pregnant again. I'm not pregnant. I'm not trying to get pregnant. I'm just saying. I love watching those videos. I love watching toddler updates and my favorite toys from this era from my baby's life, and must-haves for this in pregnancy. House tour, things like that. I want to watch more cook with me, what I eat in a day, activity type videos. So you're going to start seeing some different content on my channel. Maybe some more health and weight loss stuff, maybe more hair, nails, different things, bath bombs that I love. Like, I don't want to put myself in such a small box that it has to be beauty and then I just do one video about my daughter a month with her monthly update. I want to branch out. So thanks guys for coming along with me, and stay tuned for some new content. Share my videos, share my channel if you guys are interested in the types of videos that I've been talking about. Understand that there's going to be a bit of a learning curve for me to learn how to film those things, edit those things, perfect the whole vlogging thing, but I want to take you guys along with me. So let's go on this journey together. Thanks for watching, and comment down below if you guys have any suggestions, video ideas that you have for me. Anything you want to see me review beauty-wise or non-beauty-wise, product recommendations, anything like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.